How can I delete all data associated with a certain email address? Some data protection laws, including the European Union General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, have provisions that give people the right to know exactly what personal data of theirs has been collected and stored. It also has a provision called Right to be Forgotten, which requires organizations to delete all personal data about an individual upon request. To make it easy to comply with these types of requests, LISTSERV Maestro has a built-in feature that combs through your entire subscriber database and all of your tracking reports, generating a report that details all personal data that has been collected and stored about a given subscriber. To access this feature, go to Utility in the main menu and select Email Address Data Report. Then enter the email address of the person who made the request and click on Execute Report. The system will create a report of all personal data associated with that email address that you can provide the subscriber. You can also download this report in XML format for easy portability. If the person has requested to have all subscriptions canceled and personal data deleted, you can simply click the Delete Data button. This will delete all information associated with the email address, no matter how many lists you have and how complex your subscriber warehouse is. This will make compliance with even the strictest data privacy laws very easy. Thank you for watching.